Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to log out from WhatsApp on other devices. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Once you are on WhatsApp, go to the gear icon on the lower right of your mobile device, and that is Settings. Tap on it. Once you're here, go over and click on Link Devices. Once you're in the Link Devices window, you can see all the other internet browsers or devices that your WhatsApp is logged on. For example, in a Mac OS. Now I'll click on it and then tap on Log Out. Tap on Log Out once again. And that's it. You can follow or do the same steps once again to log out from any other devices that your WhatsApp application or your account has been logged onto. Now you just have to wait for this prompt to stop loading. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, share, and please don't forget to subscribe.